Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing maybe just a day in our life video. So the kids except for Mikey and their dad are here. They're just doing like thumb wars. I'm gonna win. Not if I win first. You're both wrong. I'm gonna win. Okay. I don't want to deal with that. Okay, I think Mikey might be playing downstairs in the playroom, so I'm fine with that. I'm probably just gonna cook dinner. What happened? Mom, what happened? I'm not sure. Yeah, everything just went down. That's so weird. I'm gonna go check the energy box. I'll be right back. Huh? Guys, the doors won't open. Mikey's down there. Mom, what's gonna happen to Mikey? Nothing. Okay, we don't have stairs. How are we supposed to get downstairs? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. They didn't say the weather would be down today or like, it's a thunderstorm. Oh my god, is Mikey okay? Meanwhile, this is so much fun. Huh? What's going on? Mom! Mom! Help! The door won't open. Mom, let me out! Help! I'm stuck. Help! Is that my Mikey? Oh my god! Is that Mikey? Open this door! I'm gonna open this door. I did it, Mikey! Mikey, where are you? Mom, is that you? Ugh! Open this door! Yes! Mom! Oh my god, I missed you! Oh my god. Okay, so it's a thunderstorm and everything seemed to turn off. Does the TV work? No, it doesn't work. Where's my phone? I left my phone upstairs. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dad, if you can hear me, can you please check my phone notifications? I don't see them! I don't see the phones! The lights are on. The lights are on. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, I keep passing it. Okay. Oh my god. I keep passing it. Oh my god. Okay, there. Oh my god. It was a shutdown. Everything turned off. There was thunder. There was... I'm just happy you're okay, Mike, okay? Okay, Mom, I love you. I should go check the power box. Okay, I'm still sorry for this short video, but we have to go check something. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!